Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. As you can see from the title and the thumbnail, I am going to give you guys a tour of my she shed. Hubby and I have been discussing this for a while about getting some storage in the back, and we just went on and got one. It was much needed. I will be storing some of my Christmas decor and also storing some of my dinnerware and decorative items in here. So I'm going to go around to the other side. We have double doors on the other side and a ramp. Because originally when we talked about it, my husband was going to store his bike in here. But he decided not to store his bike. When you go inside, you're going to see a lawnmower in there and two bikes. But all that is going to be moved out. And we're going to put that back in the garage because I am going to be using the whole space for myself and my stuff, and I am so excited. So this is the back of it, and the sides. This is a primer, I think my husband says on it, and we're going to change the color of it. As you see, we have it up off the ground, and we're going to be putting some skirting on it. So we're back up front here, and I just love the front of this. It is just so nice, guys. We're going to be putting some flower pots, or what you call those things, you put them on the window there. We're going to put some of that, and I just think it goes good with the brick of our home. I think it matches perfectly, but my husband said that it's not painted yet, so we're going to paint it. And like I said, we're going to do some small landscaping, put some stones or bricks. Well, we're going to make a stone path from the house to the she shed, and I'm going to plant some flowers. I'm just going to really add my personal touch to it. And yeah, guys, I don't know how many times I'm going to say I'm excited, but I am truly excited. So let's go inside so you guys can see the inside of my new she shed. So this is the inside. Like I said, there are two bikes in here and the lawnmower, but that's going to be moved out because originally, like I said, hubby and I were supposed to share the she shed, well, share the shed, but we decided that because I had so much stuff that I really do need all this space. We're going to finish doing the walls, and we're going to build a loft area. That window there, it actually works, and I love it. I love the fact that you can put the window up. It has a little screen area, and I'll show you that in a clip. And we're also going to do the flooring, and that's going to be the loft area there. So against the wall, once we get the walls done, I'm going to be placing a shelf where I will hold my dinnerware and other decor stuff and my Christmas, my seasonal items. And then I'm going to make an area like when I want to come in here, when I'm looking through stuff, I can sit. If I want to stay a while, I can read, because we are going to put air and heating, different stuff like that. So it's going to be really comfortable in here. But I just wanted to share it with you guys, and I will be following up later with a video when we finish up the finishing touches like the wall and the floor. And I'm gonna step back again, guys, and let you see how beautiful this is. I love this, and I'm excited. It's amazing to have a place just to store your items and your decor, because I really did need it. I want to also share with you guys our attic. This is where we stored everything. We had to come up, get it stuff from the attic, bring it down, and it really became a hassle. Eventually we will remodel our attic. As you see, it has a lot of room, and it goes from one end of our home to the other, and maybe make it a game room for the grandkids. And as you see, we had a lot of stuff stored up here. I still have maybe 5 more boxes to bring down. is just some of my Christmas and Thanksgiving decor, guys. I wanted to give you an idea of what all I had stored in the attic. We're not going to move too much of the stuff in the shed because we still have to do the walls and the floor, and we have to get it wired. So I didn't want to move too much stuff, hauling all that stuff in and out. So we just took down a couple of things because I wanted to go through some of my totes. And also, guys, I want to let you know that I did pick a winner for my giveaway, and I will link that video down in the description box. I'm still waiting for the winner to give me a call. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment, like, share, but most of all, subscribe. And be on the lookout for part 2 of this video where you see all the updates to my she shed. Bye, guys.